Example, cat on the wall. An expression that tells different meanings. Example, cat on the wall. This is being a cat on the wall award to the job of the. Second example, top of the world, chasing the job of the great wall right to the wall on top of the wall. These are examples of air. Keep on, please keep on talking, carry on. I will carry on your work in absent.
This is a notice that purchase the simple annual. This is a in from all the students of classes wax that they will be an annual day celebrated in the school on 18th March 2025 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the schools. Attitude interested students those who went to prepare in the where schools use their
Future continuous tense used to show that an action will be happening in the future. Example: they will not be playing football. I will be sleeping in the afternoon. She will be contributing at this time.
అట్లా వెళ్ళండి సార్.
cards, bags, cat, suffix, a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Wonderful, mournful, painful, delightful, brightness, freshness, loudness, goodness. Suffix, a word that is added before a root word to from a word is called suffix. Fix, release, ever. Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same but differs in meaning or in spelling. Example,
and pronunciation, but different in meaning. Example: bark as a noun, tree bark; bark as a noun, dog sound; bear as a noun, animal; bear as a verb, endure; bat as a noun, animal; bat as a noun, sports activity. Names a person, place, idea, person. Example: cat, rock, tree, dog, pencil, Mary. Pronoun. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. Example: she, it, I, you, he, they. Verb. Verb express the action of a state being. Example: must, fly. Verb show, is, try, bring. Adverb.
Sir, acronymy. An acronymic combines the first letter of each word in the phrase. Acronyms are pronounced as a single word. Example: NASA stands for National Aeronautic and Space Administration. PIN. PIN stands for Personal Identification Number. Next, initialism. An initialism also uses the first letter of each word in the phrase, but instead of combining the letters to form a new word, you pronounce each letter individually. CIP stands for Very Important Person. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. Abbreviation. An abbreviation is a way to shorten a phrase and includes acronymy and initialism. Many common abbreviations tend to shorten the word. Photo, short for photography. Exam stands for examination. KG stands for kilogram. Example: www. Full form: World Web Wide. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. NEP, NEET, National Educational Policy. IAS, Indian Administration Service. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. IPS, Indian Police Service. Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. SC, Union Public Service Commission. Google stands for Globe. Google stands for Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth.
Full YouTube.
Cheese meaning when I went to something. My name is Chinar. I am studying in the 6th class. Excuse me meaning when I finish.
Ashira.
My topic is Hyderabad, Telangana. Born July 5th, 1995. Father name P.V. Ramana, volleyball Arjuna Award. Mother P.V. Vijaya, volleyball. Arjuna Award in 2013. Padma Shri Award in 2015. Today my topic is tenses, past simple, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Sentence: he played cricket. Past continuous, subject plus was, where plus verb 1 plus name plus object. He was. Sentence: he was playing cricket. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Sentence: he had played cricket. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus verb 1 plus object. Sentence: he had been played cricket. Present simple, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Sentence: he played cricket. Present continuous subject. Teacher, light dark, near from, big small, happy sad, thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Siha. I am studying in 7th standard. I prepared the opposite letters. Up, down, less, more, black, white, small, big, hot, cold, man, woman, near, far, short, long, day, night, close, open, on, off, right, wrong, boy, girl, happy, sad, out, in. Thank you.
Good.
Poster farmer. Save life, say no rice. Save life, say no to rice. Don't be late, right. Addiction brings adults misery and late. Be frame, dries may kill, but they sadly kill. Easy to get in, difficult to get out. Statement right, question, answer from December.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vendala. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I have prepared a diary format. Date 15 day, Saturday, dear diary. Diary, today I am so happy that I cannot express my feeling in words and words. I am so excited to tell you about that the annual cultural day is a very important day. For all schools, the students get a chance to display their talents in front of a big advance. The annual day of our school started at 12:30 and end at 5:30 p.m.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jeevashila. I am studying in 7th class. Today I prepared degrees of comparison. Cool, coolest, small, smallest, big, biggest, young, youngest, clever, clever, short, shorter, great, greater, smooth, smoother. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is K. Swati. I am studying in 7th class. I prepared ovals. Ovals are five types. Those are A, E, I, O, U. Thank you. My name is Srinidhi. I am studying in 7th class. This is a singular plural. Dog, dogs, schools, schools. Tomato, tomatoes, box, boxes, family, families, children, baby, babies, book, books. Any word add to yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I prepared parts of speech for TLM. Parts of speech are 8 types. Those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition. Now describes the names of any things and places. Example: Vaishali.
Vaishali book, schools, and verb describes nothing but the verb is an action. Example: sleeping, singing, and dancing. Thank you. Today I prepared placard. Save the nature, save the earth. Here we see the nature, the beautiful nature. Here we see the big stones and dried trees. We save the like this. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Maya. I'm studying in 7th class. This is an invitation. Venu JPH December School. Guest of honors, welcome address. Activities that can be done: picture tag, show and tell, role plays, any other speaking or culture activities like poem, relations of choral singing. This is a tenses: past, present, future. This is a past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past project continuous.
My name is Kinandri. I am studying in 8th class. They are preparing annual day. Annual day when ZPSC exam date 13/3/2025. Time 10 to 35. But chief guest hours Ramohan Reddy sir. Chief guest Ramohan Reddy sir. Cultural program dance 8th 7th class. Songs 6th class. Drama 8th class boys.
Good morning, sir. My name is K. Mamata. I am studying in 8th class. I am prepared a English literature poets. Those are Rabindranath Tagore, Aburi Chayadevi, Charles Dickens, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, Kamala Das. Today. My name is K. Mamata. I am studying in 8th class. I am prepared a figures of speech. We have in English figures of speech. We use it in poems. There are simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, alliteration.
My name is Mamata. I am studying in 8th class. I am prepared a notice for annual function. Our school is going to be organized the annual function on 18th March 2025. All the students are invited to be a part of the function, and those students who want to participate in wanted activities like dance, music, and so on are removed to conduct their respective class teacher.
Initialism also used the first letter of each particular case, but instead of combining the letters to form a new word, we pronounce each letter individually. Example: VIP stands for very important person. CE stands for chief executive officer. If we take one word, we can explain it with first word like simple one letter. VIP. Acronomy combines the first letter of each word in the case. Acronomy are pronounced as a single word. Example: NASA. NASA stands for National Aerospace and Space Administration. We can take one word, we take first letter in the word, and we form another new word, and we can extend it like this. Abbreviation. An abbreviation is a way to shorten a phrase and use acronomy and initialism. Many common abbreviations tend to shorten the word. If we take one word like example photograph, we say that in simple photo. Examination, exam, kilogram, example kg. Example Google. Google stands for G for O organization of, O oriented, G group, L language of, E F global organization oriented group language of F.
An expression that helps define meaning to its literal meaning. Example: cat on the wall. This is being a cat on the wall. About the job of the wall. The job
చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది నాకు వస్తాయి.
ఓకే సార్